In this video, I will show you how to approve tags on Instagram. Firstly, you need to get off from your site. You need to go here into your profile section. You need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to select the first selection, settings. When you get right there, it will shows up many different options in which you need to choose up the right one. Here it is on the third side, privacy. When you get there, you're gonna find out many sites which are related on that selection in which you need to go and choose for tags. As you can see right over here, it doesn't shows up tag session on my site. This is why I'm gonna get back, and here in the search box I'm gonna type for tags, and also it doesn't shows up that session. I will simply explain you why is this set up on my site. This is because I don't have the latest version of Instagram. If you don't have it, just go on your Play Store, get the latest version of Instagram, just go and go update it.